Guys, welcome back to another video made by me. I am ParrotHero, and I am going to be doing a lot of reaction videos. So this is my reaction to my least favourite Toy Story 3 moment, or just genuinely Toy Story moment. The Toy Story 3 furnace scene. Okay, right, let's go. Load, please. Okay, good.
Daylight. We're gonna be okay.
Poor Rex. He's like, yay, we're gonna be okay.
I think that's daylight.
Woody's my all-time favourite character. Just saying. Comment down below who your favourite character is. Run. Losso, flick that switch, bruh. Even though we all know you're not gonna do it because you're an idiot. Run, Lotso, run!
Sarah, the button! Help me! Come on!
The button, help me!
Go! Hit the button!
No, but that just makes them, like, in a position where they're going to be... where they're probably gonna go down. He's like...
Just push it! Push it! Push it!
He's like...
Where's your kid now, Sheriff?
Where's your kid now, Sheriff? I hate Lotso. We all knew he was going to be mean. And then he failed of saving Woody and all the gang. Okay. The other saddest moment is when Andy gives away the toys. But this is probably the saddest ever moment. Because you literally think that they're going to die in the furnace. Oh. The bit that makes me cry is I think it's when Woody's like at the front of all of it. I think he is. I can't remember because I haven't watched this film in ages. But like, Toy Story films are literally my favourite films. Slink's all tangled up. No. Go on, Woody. Go on. No, at this moment I was literally like, Woody, no! Woody, no! When I first watched it, I was like, I can't remember, 5 or something, and I was, no, younger than that, and I literally started crying. I hate how Woody's at the front of it, because I just don't know. I remember this so well, even though it was my least favourite part. I keep saying it's my least favourite part of any Toy Story film. Go on, Woody. The claw. I love the aliens for that. I was literally like, yes! Yes! I was literally so happy. I was so happy. The claw. So anyway guys, I think that is the end of today's reaction video. So I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye. Bye.